The sun's energy nourishes plants. The energy from the plants feeds worms. Electric energy helps Arequipa, the echidna, find food. The worms give Arequipa the energy she needs. Sound energy lets Arequipa detect her predator, the eagle. The energy within Arequipa's body keeps her warm on cold days. Thanks to the energy from the sun, water, and wind, humans can create electricity. That's how the planet shares its energy with all living things. If you want to learn more about energy and its connection to regeneration, visit us at www.regenerate.com.